When it comes to airline travel, every traveler is searching for the best tips to make their journey smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned flyer or a first-time traveler, knowing the inside secrets can make all the difference. In today's video, we're unveiling some of the best airline travel hacks that can save you time, money, and stress on your next trip. So, fasten your seatbelt and let's take off on this journey to discover the secrets of savvy travelers. Traveling can be stressful, but did you know that the time of day you book your flight can impact the price? Airlines often release their new fares in the early hours of the morning. Tuesdays, specifically around 2 a.m., are known to be the golden hour for booking. At this time, unsold seats from the weekend might be available at a discounted rate. By setting an alert or staying up late, you could snag yourself a bargain. Once you've booked your flight, you might think that your seat is set in stone, but there's a little-known secret that could help you get a better spot. Airlines often hold back the best seats, like those with extra legroom, and release them just before the flight. Checking in online as early as possible increases your chances of grabbing these seats for free. Additionally, using tools like Seat Guru can help you choose the most comfortable seat based on your aircraft's layout. Packing efficiently is another crucial aspect of stress-free travel. One of the best hacks is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save space, but it also minimizes wrinkles. To go a step further, invest in compression bags. These handy tools allow you to pack even more by squeezing out the air, making them perfect for longer trips, or if you're trying to avoid checked baggage fees. Remember, airlines are becoming stricter with carry-on luggage sizes, so it's always worth double-checking the dimensions and weight restrictions. Now, what if we told you there's a way to access the luxurious airport lounges without having a first-class ticket? Many travelers aren't aware that you can purchase a day pass to most airport lounges, even if you're flying economy. These lounges offer a quiet space to relax, free food and drinks, and even shower facilities, making them worth every penny, especially during long layovers. Some credit cards also offer complimentary lounge access as part of their perks, so it's worth checking if your card provides this benefit. The in-flight experience is often where many travelers find themselves most uncomfortable. One hack that can significantly improve your experience is bringing your own travel pillow and blanket. Airline pillows and blankets are rarely washed between flights, and having your own ensures a clean and comfortable journey. Noise-cancelling headphones are also a game-changer, drowning out the hum of the plane and allowing you to enjoy your music or movie in peace. But what about food? Did you know that special meals are often served first? Requesting a special meal, like a vegetarian or gluten-free option, can not only cater to your dietary needs, but also means you'll get your food before everyone else. This can be especially useful on long-haul flights where getting some rest is a priority. Just remember to request it well in advance when you're booking your flight. Now, let's talk about flight delays and cancellations, one of the biggest frustrations for any traveler. If your flight is delayed or cancelled, don't just join the long queue at the service desk. Instead, call the airline's customer service line while you're waiting. You'll often get through to a representative faster and can rebook or get assistance without the added stress of waiting in line. Finally, let's discuss frequent flyer miles, a treasure trove of savings if used wisely. Many travelers don't realize that you can earn miles not just by flying, but also through everyday spending, such as using a credit card linked to your airline. Accumulating these points can lead to free flights, upgrades, or even hotel stays. Make sure you're signed up for your airline's loyalty program and always check how you can maximize your points. And there you have it, some of the best airline travel hacks and secrets to make your next journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Whether it's saving money on your flight, securing a better seat, or improving your in-flight experience, these tips are sure to elevate your travel game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, and see you in the skies.